Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to temporarily disable your Instagram account from PC. So you can go any browser you want. I'm using Google Chrome. Then type the word instagram.com. You can see the URL. Then you'll find the page like this. So what you need to do, you need to click here more, right bottom corner. Then you'll see the option settings, and then you can see personal details, account center. Click here, then you'll see account center. You'll get here account settings. There are a couple of options, so you need to click personal details and account and ownership, the right side. Simply click the third one, again click and continue click. Then deactivate your account. So if you want a temporary disable, then you can select this one, and after that continue, and you have to put your password here, then continue, then your account temporary disable. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.